The lesson started off with a video here. It will run you guys through the order of the planets. And then the song also goes through a few details. I thought it was pretty catchy, so it will help you guys work through the order of the planets. Right. And if we scroll down, you can see some of the questions here. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? I just want you to note that this may or may not be the correct answer. I was just playing around with it and it won't let me uncheck it. Match the planets to their description below. So you'll have to determine which planet has which description. If you think Saturn is the coldest planet, you would just move it to where it goes. The next one, select all which are planets in our solar system. So you can select multiple questions here, okay? So make sure you select all that you think are true. And then draw the solar system. You'll click on show your work and you can draw in here the planets and anything else you think is in our solar system. Here we see some facts about Pluto. So read through this and answer the questions here. You can see down at the very bottom, unscramble these words. These are just kind of fun on the side here. And another true or false question. So let's look at the class here. We have Crystal, Dickie, and Vicky in there completing. Let's see, great job. Matching all the planets with their descriptions. And then let's see. That's right, Jupiter is the largest planet. They may be watching the videos still. Okay, let's look at this one here for Dickie. See what we've got. So he has the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Alright, so I see you got up to Jupiter. Are you able to fit the rest of the planets on there? And we'll see if maybe he will see that and finish adding them. Let's see. Vicky, Neptune does not have the largest volcano. Mars is not the coldest planet. But she got Venus and Saturn. Venus and Saturn are correct. Neptune is the furthest planet from the Sun. Do you think it would be warmer or colder than Mars? Let's see if that will help Vicky with the correct answer. Let's see, Dickie seems to be done. Let's look at this one again. Oh, looks like we're still missing a few. So we will give him, he got the Sun and 6 planets. So we'll give him 7 points. And let's look at Vicky now. Oh, I will work with Vicky separately on that one. Crystal here has Neptune also is the largest volcano. Venus is the coldest planet. Mars is the hottest planet, and Saturn has rings. So Saturn does have rings. Great job. Let's think about the order of the planets now. If Neptune is the furthest, would it be the warmest? And for now, we'll give her 1 point. Let's see how Vicky's doing. So you have the sun. Are you able to draw the list of all the 8 planets in order? For now, since she has the sun, we'll give her 1 point and we'll come back and look at that later. Select all, which are planets in our solar system: Jupiter, Uranus, Mercury, and Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Bit of a trick question there. All right, look at this question here. So there are 9 planets in the solar system. Looks like Crystal got that wrong. She said it is true. However, Dickie said it is false, which is correct. So I think the confusion here lies with Pluto. So we discussed it as being a dwarf planet. So dwarf planet is typically its own category. So while we would not call it a planet, that brings our planets down to 8. So I'll make a note here for Crystal. Pluto is no longer considered a planet. It is now a dwarf planet. So our solar system only has 8 full-fledged planets. All right, well, great job, guys.